Rolling?
Yeah.
Right. I got this.
Can't see you, but
hey,
gotcha.
Hey, the name is R.O.Y. I'm on a roll like Tootsie. Free my nigga Crow and free Lil Boosie. Free my nigga Troy, you know who I am. I don't eat pork, but I still go ham. Set it off, motherfucker, no J to Pinky. I run up in your residence and take your jewels and trinkets. I want the fucking money, I gotta fucking get it. I get it for my girl over there, and that's a witness. It's straight up out the briefcase if you want the business. And if you do that, then I'm like, man, it's literally, dog. You know I got a really big vocabulary, vernacular, spectacular. You having me? No, I ain't even about to lose my breath, but see, I feel some shit that you know always leaning to the left, like I'm sipping on some syrup, but I can do it plural, and that means multiple. I'm hopping like a hurdle, bro. You can see me bandana like a Ninja Turtle, bro. Holy shit, man, you better tighten up your girdle, bro. No, they straight pussy like a chick with no nuts, a dude with no nuts, and then I get up in her guts. I'm talking about that chick before that last fucking bar, and I am nowhere near a motherfucking superstar. I'm just an ordinary nigga on an ordinary grind. I think about some shit with my extraordinary mind. Damn, my bad, I made a couple slips, but it don't matter cause you know I pack a couple clips. I ain't talking about a movie, this is not no video. You can put it on Vimeo, but it's like Arsenio. I be all up in that hole, I just put it in your jaw. Like I said before, homie, I don't give a damn, fuck the law. I rip for the South Columbus, Georgia, I love you. You don't give a damn, man, I do it for them thugs, bro. Do it for them gangsters and all my niggas home. All my niggas in the West that got me feeling no alone. Never felt alone since I ripped some real G's. I rip with the G's and they ripping for me. I rip for the G's and I rip for the G's and I rip for anybody who ripping for me. I do it for my city and I do it for this one. I swear I shoot it from the hip just like a pistol. Bow!
Oh, yeah.